I don't want to push it. I don't want to try and clean this up now, but I believe that is a little pistol. I think you can see that. You can sort of work out the shape of the trigger and the barrel and then the top piece. But I'm not going to try and clean it up now. I'm going to let that dry out. But oh yeah. Right, out today on my own, back to the spot where the, well, I've had some amazing finds here actually in the past, but yeah, it's a bit fresh, really quiet though. I'm going to start up here, then I'm going to head down into the field out the way, but as you can see, on my own again. It's a wheel. It's straightened out by the looks of it. Looks like it, yeah.
Yeah, it was bipod.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. They're probably. Oh well, it's my first find of the day. Old bit of rusty metal. And that looks like an old metal heel plate or something. I don't know. No, I've got like a nut thing on there. I looked at that and I thought spigot. I'm quite sure what it is, but explosives don't have bolts in them.
No.
I looked at that and thought I found a spigot more.
Well, I don't know what it is, but it's
Different.
heavy and all, isn't it?
Yeah.
And how long's that been in there?
That's square nuts. The old lot. Crayfish.
Yeah.
Go on mate, we'll give you a chance. Dunno. So that's just come up. Not got a clue what it is really. Not loaded the crap off it. You see, obviously that slides into something. It's got square bolts at the top there, holding the faceplate on. That hole goes all the way through. But it is really heavy. So if anyone's got any ideas what that is, leave it in the comments. On the back, it has got something, but not quite, something 61 I think. Auto 61. But anyway, if you know, drop it in the comments. Oh. That looks like them street cannons. Let me get my gloves. Some people say their magnets ain't strong.
And when that's got a grip, isn't it?
Yeah. You get some thick metal, mate, that's where it really comes into its own.
Just as it comes out the water, it just gets... Doesn't it?
You know what it is, don't you?
No, go on.
It's cast iron lamppost.
Is it?
Yeah, because the stub of it.
Oh, the rest of it's here?
Yeah, lamppost. I've got to get my hands from underneath it. Oh.
I don't know what it was. You lifted the lifting chain from the lifting eye.
That's heavy. I'll bring my camera a bit closer so I can show things. So I've got a nice old bit of chain, there we go, with its lifting eye on it. That was well in there, that was. That's what was down there, you know, where you kept pulling it. So, as you can see there, we've got the stump of a broken cast iron lamppost. And after a lot of struggling, I got a load more of a cast iron lamppost. So there we go. So let's see if we can find the top bit now. That's heavy as hell, that was. Christ almighty. Getting too old for this. Oh, look at it. What have I got? What have I
Fuck have you got now? What is it?
I ain't got a clue.
Okay.
So I just got that. I got a clue what it is. I mean, it's heavy, it's cast, but not sure. But if you know, let me know, because I haven't got a clue. Oh, get down there. That is not the first one of them that's come from here.
Isn't it?
I found a bit before on one as well.
Crazy thing is,
Still got the exhaust rubber.
I was going to say, it ain't that old because that's a modern style exhaust rubber. Got gas axe marks.
Right, we'll move it down to here and I'll get some pictures of it.
Caught on the fucking
Transformer. That's a rectifier, not a regulator, isn't it? The old school one with the two relays in.
Yes, yeah.
Not regulator, what do they call it? You know what I mean though. The old cars had them, didn't they? Right, so still the big finds. You can see we've got part of a chopped up flatbed, probably a transit. So somebody's been doing a few noughties. We've got a suspension spring there. Got an exhaust pipe, an old trusty fence pin. Can't go nowhere without a scaffold clamp. And there we go, a regulator off an old car. So yeah, more rubbish, still coming. All big though. And that is the lid off a jerry can. There you go, like you see the top bit there, where you'd lift it up, pop the cap back, and that's a latch down, so there we go.
Fuck me, Nigel, that's a fucking treble, isn't it? What are they fishing for, whales?
You wouldn't want it on your nose, would you? So we've got head off a razor. A little tiny hook, like a little grapple hook. Look at that. Brilliant. Got myself a spoon. Now that ain't been in there very long, has it? Look, nice shiny thing. That's evil, this magnet. Absolutely evil. Old valve wheel, turning it off. It's crudded up, that is, but yeah, it's an old valve wheel. Yeah, knock some of the crud off it, as you can see. There we go. No matter how many times you do a bit, there's always something there. Something is scaffolding. Oh my god. What the fuck?
That looks... Is that what it looks like?
No, it can't be. Can't be. No, because that's a tapered shaft. So negative. Well. I'll have to look like a spigot mortar. Nah, it can't be.
I think you just get a little single treble hook with it.
No. I need to just have a quick look. Don't think it is. Really don't.
Well, what the fuck is it?
I don't know. No, because that hasn't got. I think it's too heavy for one. That's like the one that came out over there.
That little timber,
Fucking tapered shaft as well.
You've got the same machine sort of part there. Just missing that end.
See if my mate's up.
So just
No.
because you thought I was doing better than exhaust, you had to go and trump me.
Ow. Steps with a flat in the middle. It's got a tapered shaft as well. So you've got a flat end, which is like that. Have to ring him. Sorry, Steve.
Yeah, if you're not up, we will be in a minute.
Sorry to do this to you so early. Tell me, is this a spigot mortar? Hang on. Hello.
Hello, I don't know what happened there.
No. Yeah. Hang on. Let's put my camera back on. Don't know what's happening here.
I'll say it just says your camera's off.
Hang on. Let's try that. There we go. Right.
There we go. Right, here's another look. Oh. It certainly looks like it.
Oh fuck.
Tricky one.
Yeah.
Size-wise looks right as well.
Right where the egg grenade was. I'm glad you find it amusing.
Oh dear.
You just get normal.
Well, they don't come out very often, them ones.
No, one came out over there though about 2 years ago. Ah. Right, so there we go. As you can see, I've just pulled out a spigot mortar. That is some seriously heavy mortar round. Right, okay. Time to move then, I think. Let's get on the phone, but look at the size of that thing. Christ almighty. Weren't expecting to find one of them today. I bet that's going to go with one hell of a bang. Right, let's get moved and get on the phone.
That's go under the bridge, isn't it? Right. Around, move.
Yeah, come on then. Ooh.
Bag of scrap. It's going to get a little bit lighter, that water coming out.
There's got to be something magnetic in there.
It's going to be in the bag.
I have found a bag of them before.
Have you?
Yeah.
There's just a gap there.
I've got to know what that is now.
Yeah.
Found anything?
Oh, this one, yeah.
That's our lamppost, found the rest of it. the other magnet on it when we see it?
You try. How can be in a bag that weighs that much?
Giant chain.
You can put it back in then.
I'll go to scrap, man, that will.
Oh, will it?
Oh.
The old 2 efforts of lifting makes a difference.
Yeah. I'll get the camera over for this one. Right, so just pulled at this bag, and this bag is really heavy. And I'll show you what's in it. There we go. I've got the chain off the anchor of the Titanic, I think. Christ almighty, look at that. That is really heavy. Oh, it's disgusting, but God, that was heavy. Just why? Why would you come down there and do that? Why?
So you can change the lifting equipment today?
And golf club. There we go. Got another lifting strap. Something about chains and lifting straps today. And I've got a putter. There we go, look, I've got a putter. So then I think, was it just weeds?
Shotgun.
There we go, so we've got an old shotgun shell. Empty one, but anyway. Yep. Yeah, got an old rod rest. There you go, got a leg off TV stand or something, coffee table on there. Tree. There we go, got my first chav canister of the day. Don't think I've ever had a chav canister, There's enough chavs about though. Yeah.
Sure.
Sorry Brett, you didn't arrive today, but your mate's here anyway. Even came with his brother. Right, so I've got an indicator off a motorbike. I've got somebody's phone charger. Got a metal plate off a shoe. A bit strange, that one. And we've got a shackle for a leaf spring. So still stuff coming up. So there we go, got a BT cash box, another one. Always plenty of them here. Ooh. I've got the tip of a bullet, 50 caliber. There we go, so that's the tip of it. Nice. Go, found the other half of me putter. Hey?
No padlocks today.
Oh, we got that.
You alright? It's going to be a trolley thing, isn't it?
Nice.
I don't know.
1989. Liberty or Libertaire XL. Alright, there we go. Just found myself 10 francs. I think it's dated 1989. I think it is. Yeah, 10 franc piece. I'll keep that for my coin collection. Road signs. I don't know if it's brass. Battery, isn't it? Of some description.
Yeah.
That's the battery holder. Just look, there's a centre pin.
Yeah.
And that would have gone on there.
Old torch or something?
Possible, isn't it? Because there's no writing on there. Because anything ammo has writing on the bottom.
Right.
I thought it looked like the end of a bloody big caliber bullet, but then I couldn't work out the other bits. The nipple.
Yeah. Right then.
Oh, dynamo. That's what it was.
Yeah.
It's an old dynamo. There's the ball part of it. That's part of the dynamo system.
Yeah.
You can normally tell by the look on people's faces. There's signs from over there. That's A6 furniture over there.
That came in really strange because it was like swimming its way and it changed direction and sent the magnet over that way.
I'll show that. Yeah, that's over there, that is. Take it back to them. So there we go, we found the sign from the furniture place across the road. A6 furniture, look at that. I saw the pole come out for, oh no, not another one. Yeah. Spanner and a half, isn't it? Ring spanner. There we go, we've got a lot of bolts coming up here now. Something big there because it won't move, but got a lot of bolts in there. Whatever this is, I've got it.
You've got the rear springer. That's the spring, and you've had the shaft. Isn't it?
Yeah. On the side of the bloody magnet as well.
Oh.
Tell you what, for a skinny one, that's done halfway some.
How deep was that in there?
Yeah.
So what if that's what I was feeling myself slide along?
It's possible. That's heavy, that is. Right, okay. For its size, that is really heavy.
Yeah.
Now you know I've got to throw back down here, don't you? Exide. Metal clad. This battery has been reinforced. A few things I ain't shown yet as well. My spanner and my brake shoe. Gotcha. Just why? something down. Well, I can honestly say I've never pulled out a plastic dumbbell before. Look how that's got that, look.
Yeah. But you know what it's filled with? It must be...
They're concrete usually, aren't they? But it's got a metal bar in it.
Ah, it's a solid piece of moving.
It's just random.
Yes, but it's just a bar in the middle.
Look. It's more one end than the other.
So once you flipped it the right way.
Yeah. And that's why I stopped it swinging, that's why I kept stopping, and 4.5 kilos. Okay.
Well, at least you got it.
Yeah, principle thing, wasn't it?
Yeah. What do you think you'll find? I'll start putting the lamppost and stuff in the scraps, because you've already done it, haven't you?
Yeah, I have, yeah. The lamppost. No, fortunately. I'm sure they'll happen soon because there's a shop up over there now. Right, so there's the dumbbell that I pulled up, wrapped in bags. I don't know why, but there we go. So I've got a 4.5 kilo dumbbell. Got an old ring spanner, good old size that, 32 mil or whatever it is in the Imperial. Got a brake shoe. About worn out, that is. Got an old excise battery. It says on there reinforced metal. We've got an old leaf spring or something. We've got the carrier earlier, but now I've got leaf spring. There we go, got myself a spark plug. Thinning out a bit here now. Right, just so you can all see, there we go. I've spoken to the scrap guy here, and you see all our rubbish is in the back of the wagon, all loaded up. There's our bit of transit, but there we go, we're all loaded up. So it's all in the back of the wagon. There we go. More stuff there. So the scrap is all loaded, ready to go. Oh. There we go, this is my first push bike of the day. Pretty rotten that one, but yeah, I've got a push bike. Right, so another crazy lonely day by the side of the water. Gonna go now, going home in daylight, which is really unusual for me, but as you saw earlier, a once in a lifetime find. Not that I want to find too many more of them, but it was good. And don't forget to catch up with us Friday night for the live stream, and thanks for subscribing.